Is your heating and cooling blower motor switch working in certain positions? And is your blower motor resistor easy to reach? Then here's how you can check it without any special tools. Remove the blower motor resistor connector. It might be a little hard to remove because the pins might be burned. Remove the blower motor resistor. Notice the blower motor resistor connector burnt pins. Notice the blower motor resistor burnt pin. Here's the open circuit.